Hello, Teacher Whitney. How are you today? I'm doing well. That's my cat, Grayson. Hi, Grayson. Hi. I am happy to fly to you, to see you in Thailand soon. I have my ticket. Now, let's see. Today is the last day on animals. This week, we have covered a lot. We introduced animals and talked about traits. What color? Brown, green, red? Are they tall or short? Big or small? We organized animals into groups. Are they mammals, reptiles, birds? Are they carnivores that eat meat? Or are they herbivores that eat plants? What is your favorite animal? We learned how to express opinions. On Wednesday, we compared traits. Which animal is bigger? Which animal is slower? Yesterday, we talked about past tense. Tigers used to live, or tigers lived, all across India and South Asia. Now, tigers only live in small areas. Today, we are going to do reading comprehension. You should have a worksheet that looks like this. Now, instructions. Read the paragraph and answer the questions in full sentences. Full sentences. You, as a class, read the paragraph. Pause the video to read it on your own. After you read it, now I will read it. Yesterday, I went to the zoo. I watched the lions. I looked at the koalas. I walked to the elephant habitat. I tried to see the tigers, but they were not there. I was sad and cried. My mom bought me ice cream to appease me. There was a small ice cream, a medium ice cream, and a large ice cream. I wanted the large ice cream. After I ate my ice cream, I walked to the tiger pit again. The tigers were there. They played and I watched them. Lastly, I talked to the iguanas. After that, I was tired. I wanted to go home. Pause the video if you need to listen again or to read the paragraph again. Now, to answer the questions in full sentences. An example, where was I? Zoo. I was at the zoo. Which size of ice cream did I want? Which size of ice cream did I want? I wanted the large ice cream. So you'd write that. I wanted the large ice cream. You can go through the rest of the worksheet like that. Okie dokie. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.